wave. Look at it. 2 minutes. Look at that.
So guys, using the Siestama plate,
and we're going to use the microwave to prepare what we're going to do, right? So in here, I'm going to add, it's nighttime here. So in here, I'm going to add 2 eggs. So I'm going to break 2 eggs in here. And I'm also going to add my veggies. Add a little bit of green peas and some carrot. And I'm also going to add a little bit of spring onion. Guys, look at that. So we're going to add a little bit of, because I love spicy, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and also some chili. Did you see that? So I'm just going to beat it a little bit. And then we're going to put this in the microwave. So I'm going to close it. Did you see? Then let's put that in the microwave. Let's put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Now let's take it out. Whoop. Guys, look at that. Look at that yummy. Look at what we have produced from the microwave. Look at it. 2 minutes. Look at that. Microwave. Look at what we have produced using the microwave, and our dinner is ready.
these Siestama plates,
Very useful. Very, very useful. 2 minutes. You can use it to prepare anything. This plate. Will you like to get it? It's very good. Did you see that? If you are so hungry, you can use it to cook anything. 2 minutes, 3 minutes in the microwave, and it's all ready. Look at it. So let me go and enjoy my food. Yummy. Thank you for watching.
有隻俾你連面仔女將我度嗌面都冇，你睇。